Democratic Senator Tammy Baldwin of Wisconsin. Senator Baldwin, your reaction to what the Supreme Court is now saying about marriage equality is seamless coast to coast.
Oh my goodness. Love is love, family is family, and discrimination against love or family is wrong, and now the Supreme Court has said it's also unconstitutional. This decision is a huge, huge milestone in our quest for freedom and full equality.
And when we talk about what the potential was the other way, in case the court came back and they decided that this is not going to be a historic day for LGBT equality, just from a legal perspective and a personal perspective, were you prepared for that, or did you think that it was going to go this way all along, that they would come back? It would be highly split, but it would come back in the service of equality.
You know, I have felt very hopeful and somewhat confident about the decision going the way it did. And frankly, I want to celebrate this moment. What a recognition of equal protection under the law, under the 14th Amendment. You know, this has been, in some ways, a battle that has moved with incredible swiftness, but it's also been one for full marriage equality that has been taking place over the course of many, many years. And I think we need to absolutely celebrate this very sweeping decision and also recognize, as we take this march for full freedom and full equality, that there are other steps to be taken. And somebody who is going to be married, a couple who's going to be married in the next few weeks to come, can celebrate that marriage and still face discrimination in employment, in public accommodations, in other fashions, and full equality. This is a huge milestone on that path to full equality.
Yes, you make a great point about people that are anticipating any summer and fall weddings coming up and knowing that those weddings will matter if they move across state lines. What do you make, though, of the historical significance of this date, June the 26th, now seamlessly tying together the connective tissue of Windsor, Lawrence, and Obergefell?
Absolutely. The fact that the Supreme Court decided to issue this case on the 2-year anniversary of the Windsor decision is quite remarkable. A lot of Supreme Court scholars says it's mere coincidence. I'm not sure that's the case, but boy, it really does send a message about our march towards progress. And I appreciated all the references earlier to the decision in Loving versus Virginia back in the late 60s. This is so important that all Americans are equally protected under the law, under the 14th Amendment. And again, I can't say enough, love is love, family is family. We've always known that discrimination is wrong, but to have the Supreme Court in such a bold fashion say that it is now unconstitutional is just remarkable progress.
Senator Tammy Baldwin of Wisconsin, thank you so much, Senator. And we do have information that the President is going to be